can see, the Eiffel Tower is very strong and stable.
This tower is an attraction for tourism because it has 3 levels for visitors to visit.
This Eiffel Tower is parabola shape.
The methods we use to construct this Eiffel Tower are by using toothpick, wire cutter, super glue, Eiffel paper, ruler and wooden skewer.
So next, the reason why Eiffel Tower is suitable in parabola shape because the arch-like form of a parabola is strong and stable, allowing the tower to withstand the force of wind and other environmental factors. The next reason is the parabola shape makes it possible for the compression force to be transferred to the tower and parabola angle will minimize and resistance.
The Eiffel Tower was designed so that the mat stop created by the wind is balanced at the top due to the tower's height.
Today we want to show you how to solve this equation. First, we must to put this equation to the extended form, which is we must to equals to the with 0. After that, we must to group the x and y, and we put the 17 to the right side, and we will get like this. So after that, we must to factorize the x and y, and we must to completing the square the x and y, so we get the x 35 and y is 4. After that, we must to put this answer x and y to the left side and right side, and we get like this. It's because we must to multiply the answer x and y with the number that we factorized just now, and then we will get the equation like the answer like this. But we must to ensure that 144 is equal to 1, so we must to divide 144, and we must to divide the whole equation with 144, and then we get 9 divided by 144, we will get 19, and negative 16 divided by 144, we will get negative 9. So after that, and now we get the equation, it is one hyperbola on horizontal axis. So after we get this equation, we can use the formula c squared equal to a squared times b squared, and we know that a is 16 and b is 9, so we got c is 5, c equal to 5, so a squared times equal 16, so we got a equal to 4, and for the b squared equal to 9, and we got b equal to 3. And then from the answer, we can search the center with vertices and the foci for this equation. So we know for the center, for the x-axis is h, and for the y-axis is k. So we got the center is 5, 2, and for the vertices, we can search the x-axis with h plus minus a, and y-axis is k. So we got the first vertices is 9, 2, and the second vertices is 1, 2. So for the foci, we can search the x-axis with h plus minus c, and for the y-axis is k. So we know the h is 5 and c is 5. So we got the first foci is 10, 2, and the second foci is 0, 2. Therefore, after we search the center, vertices, and foci, we can sketch the graph, hyperbola graph, and we got the horizontal axis.
For the conclusion in our project, we got the shape of parabola is often found in architecture design, including the Eiffel Tower that we used to the project. In our project, the tower's curve and structural effects remain of parabolic shape that we use in our project, especially in its arch and the way the structure tapers toward the top. The graceful sweeping line of the tower showcase the elegance of parabolic form in architecture.